What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video, I know this is a little bit different of an intro, but this is what we're going to be doing today because it is crazy hectic at the shop here at KHC. Well, what do we have going on today? Well, we have a killer video for you guys. We have a 2021 Chevy 1500 on the lift, and it is going to be getting a 6-inch ready lift kit with Falcon shocks. So let's head on into the shop and get the video started.